Most of the competing products out there focused in on your mega caps, your large caps, and they tended to be your REITs, your utilities, and your pipelines. We really wanted to focus in on those small and mid caps that were growing rapidly, that had free cash flow, stronger dividend growth rates, great return on equity metrics, but yet traded at a discounted valuation to the marketplace. That was the sweet spot, and that is the sweet spot for this particular product. NCM Income Growth Fund is a Canadian equity balance fund. The fund invests in Canada and focuses in on small and mid-sized businesses. The Canadian equity portion of the portfolio invests in businesses that pay Canadian eligible dividends. It has a risk rating of medium. The performance driver for the Income Growth Fund over the past couple decades has been its focus on really strong quantitative attributes with an overlay on roll up your sleeve, fundamental due diligence. We're focused in on those companies that are growing their earnings, that are growing their cash flow, that are growing their ability to finance a higher and higher dividend. We've since learned through multiple studies over the past 2 decades that those firms that grow their dividend over long periods of time perform really, really well in the marketplace, exceeding investor expectations. I get the question often as to whether or not investing in small mid-cap securities means more risk. And the honest answer is it could. It depends on the components of that portfolio. If that portfolio is heavily weighted towards resource stocks, certainly in that case, those are price takers, not price setters. They tend to have a higher standard deviation. That's not how we invest with the Income Growth Fund. We tend to almost always be underweight the resource sector, overweight consumer staples, consumer discretionary, and industrials, because we can find growing companies with really strong moats around their business with really good attributes. For a client portfolio that's invested in a mega cap dividend paying fund or a global dividend paying fund, we think that adding a sleeve of the Income Growth Fund complements that strategy.